Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Today we're going to talk about hanging summer squash. So any of you that have a vegetable garden and have put in zucchini know the problems. You get too much of it. So what do you plant? Well, I'm really planting a couple of varieties, but if I had to only plant one, I really think this would be it. This is Trombetta. It's an Italian heirloom summer squash, and it hangs. It will grow really high up a trellis, 12 to 15 feet. I don't have that kind of a trellis, so it's rambling here in the garden a little too much, but what a beautiful squash. Now, the thing that's so wonderful about this is what it looks like when it's cut open. Let's take a look. All right, so full disclosure, I ran inside and got a stunt zucchini double. This one's a little smaller. I tend to like to pick them when they're small. The one I showed you a second ago was just enormous. But the great thing about these is they're seedless, and that's why I wanted to show you. So as we look at this, unlike regular zucchini, there's no seeds here in the middle. So what's terrific about these, and I left this in the refrigerator just a little too long, is you can slice these. So if you wanted to make pickles with these, that would be a great thing to do. You can shred them and make sort of a salad with them. They're wonderful with some purple cabbage. This shredded with some purple cabbage makes a great salad. And unlike the regular zucchini where the seeds get so big and it can be tough to eat, that's not the problem. The seeds are all down here in the bulb. You can also use this. Another thing I like to do with these is grill them. So you can cut these little circles, you can grill them, put a little bit of Parmesan cheese, olive oil on them, and they're fantastic. It's an Italian hanging zucchini, Trombetta di Albenga. Hopefully I'm not botching the name of it too much, but you can look it up. And just a wonderful plant for the garden. Just be aware, it's gonna go a little nutty once it gets in there. So have it going up in the back of the garden or just allow it plenty of space if you're putting it just in your regular garden. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.